So let's talk about the EU project TOMRES, which has the overall goal to reduce nitrogen and phosphorus application by 20% and water application by 40%. Finding new ways to improve tomatoes as well as to improve the environmental conditions for the production of tomatoes.
So let me tell you what we are doing now. Perlite is volcanic material which is heated with extreme heat and then fluffed like popcorn. The optimum substrate, because we have more than one variety in one greenhouse. Rock wool doesn't keep water. Perlite keeps water. 50 cultivation weeks mean the plant will grow 60 centimeters high, so that high, and it developed the first flower bud a week after planting. This variety reacts immediately on the reduction of fertilizers, and the mixture of a light is a standard recipe for growing tomatoes. Because of here is the pure weather, the pure natural light coming in.
I think your open days are pretty good to communicate to the general public.
We did that during the last year to 3,000 visitors in group and 5,000 visitors at an open day. And they were all astonished about the opportunities you see in vegetable production.
One big strength of the TOMRES project or similar projects, this approach of having stakeholders from all the different groups, right? We have growers, we have plant scientists, we have the big industry, we have plant breeders in there, and we also have a group focusing on consumers' interest, doing surveys, trying to understand what's consumers. Tomato is one of a wide range of Solanaceous crops that we have, and they are genetically quite close to each other. And when we understand what happens in tomato, we can also transfer that to potato, to bell pepper, to aubergines. For instance, open field conditions in Israel, an open field on Mallorca, so in the Mediterranean region, but also in several greenhouse settings.
All the scientists should be aware, really aware, and bear in mind that it's important to also communicate their findings.
Farmers can easily adopt the new management practices and test them on their field.
But I think this is just a start for the entire agriculture breeding companies, because what a breeding company is doing is offering solutions for growers. They see a demand at the grower and they are able to translate the demand into research.
I'm just really happy to be part of this process of better understanding our crops, basically how they react under different environments.
Remark, please taste and enjoy your tomato.
Cheers!
Bye-bye. I'm gonna take this with me.
And enjoy tomatoes.
Hey.